Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to download driver Canon PIXMA Home. This here is serial, and you type here the driver download. This is why I'm search the official website for you. This here the official website. Click here, and this what website loading. I am the like the download official website. The website first download and official website update the driver or an official website for the not virus driver. This here the loading application loading landing page loading. If you need first download, you click the question. You click the description my video. This here the link download and you click here and you open the website. This what? Okay, landing page open. This here the for the three system operation for the system operation for the Linux, for the Mac, for the Windows. And first I am show you for the operating system for Linux. And this here the operating system for Linux. This here the operating system version. Click here. This here the two operating system for the Linux. And this here the release update is looking here, and this here the Mac OS. This Mac OS for the March version. Click here. This here the new version for the Windows Mac 11 and Mac 12. This here the new driver for the Mac, and this here the for Windows. Click here. This like your operating system version. Click here. This here the operating system for Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows Vista, Windows XP. And this here this video I need download driver Windows 11. Click here the Windows 11 and please wait for set loading. This here the title that a release, and this here the serial driver and software package for the Windows. I am recommendation for you. You download a software package. This package include for the scanner, for the printer, for the Wi-Fi, and tool scan for the system operation for the Windows 11. This here the Mac. See here the driver and scanner. This here the two driver scanner for printer, scanner and printer. Okay, this here the operating print and multifunction security, and this here the firmware update, and this here the driver connect Wi-Fi only. This here the driver Wi-Fi only, not cable printer. Okay, this here the Wi-Fi connect system only printing. If you need install before I am show tutorial for you, and now scroll up. This video I am need download the package for the Windows 11. Click here the full driver and software package. Click here. And this one website loading again, and you scroll down. This here the title outline, and this here the title system requirement for the Windows 11 and Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows 8. This here the setup instruction for the Windows 11. If you need download, click here. I have read and agree to the of disclaimer. Okay, click here. Button download show. If you not click here, button download not show. Click here, button download show. Click button download, and this is what the driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please wipe the driver finish download and you click run as the driver. Driver detect automatic for the cable printer. If you need install for the Wi-Fi, you turn on the power printer, you connect the printer for the Wi-Fi, you search IP printer, and you run as the driver. Driver detect the IP printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description.